dear tarot reader, tarot guide Shefali. Welcome to my YouTube channel. I hope you've already subscribed my YouTube channel. If you haven't, please subscribe right now and press that bell notification so you keep getting regular updates of the videos that I keep releasing. So friends, as you're aware, we have two channels, Tarot Reader Shefali in Hindi and Tarot Reader Shefali in English, especially for the global audience who are more acquainted and comfortable with English language. Friends, I also have a new channel, new brand under the name Astro Vruksh by Shefali. It is going to be a parent brand and Tarot Reader Shefali will be a sub part of Astro Vruksh by Shefali. Astro Vruksh by Shefali, I offer integrated destiny management solutions where I cover tarot reading, astro tarot, astrology, Vedic, KP astrology, Vastu, Astro Vastu, palmistry, numerology, healing therapies, crystal therapy, as well as spiritual guidance, everything in my own capacity. Wherever I feel there is a need and connect as per your problem or a solution is possible through this or other stream, I try to offer it to optimize the result for you. So that is what this new brand is going to get for you. Don't forget to follow me on YouTube channel, Instagram page, Facebook page and Facebook group of Astro Vruksh by Shefali. Do join me on Facebook group of Astro Vruksh by Shefali. In coming month, we will be doing a lot of activities over there. Right now, it's a small group, so the activities are quite limited, but we'll be doing more and more activities as we go ahead in the journey. So without wasting too much of time, let me tell you that I'm going to do monthly predictions for your sun sign on special request from many of my followers and subscribers. They are more inclined towards sun sign based prediction, and then comes pick a card reading for them. So we are going to again start with sun sign based predictions. Let's see what's in cards for your sun sign for the month of March 2020. So friends, let's see what's in cards for Leos for March 2021. Hi Leos, let's see what's in cards for you for March 2021. We'll start with your energy oracle card. We have Door to Value energy, which is in upright position for your month of March 2021. It's a very positive energy, friends. It says that there is a high possibility that door towards your growth, financial growth, might be opening up for you in the coming time. So you might get some new opportunities for financial investment. You might get unexpected money which you never expected to get, either if you have given some money to somebody and you never thought that money will return, you might just be surprised to get that money back, or you might be expecting some deal closures which you were not which was delayed for quite some time, but you might be getting that closures in the coming month, and that is in this month, March month. So overall, door to value is open for you. Your abundance time in terms of financial wealth looks good. Let's see what other cards are suggesting. Friends, we can see that Seven of Swords is in reverse position in your relationship. So somewhere this month overall is looking little tough on relationship for most of the sun signs, unfortunately. So here it is going to be a testing period for all of you. I will surely try to check planetary position in the and release it in our Astro Vruksh, on our Astro Vruksh platform. Let us check how Venus is affecting different sun signs. Okay, that's a thought to be discussed later. So point I'm trying to make is here, Six of Swords reverse is suggesting that somewhere you are going to have a little tough time in your relationship segment. Now this could be your marriage, it could be relationship with your friends or family or partner or a person whom you're dating. So maybe you were going through a tough time, somebody was trying to help you out, and again that help is delayed or that help is not being received. So somewhere this person really intended to help you. It could be somebody from your family, somebody, it could be you yourself or your partner trying to help you out to come in terms with their relationships, but again they are pulling back. So this help is not in your reach, as I can see in the coming month, and you are still you're still looking stressed, you're still looking stagnant and depressed and low because you're feeling helpless in the relationship that you are in. So here you will have to use your maturity to tackle this situation. hold on. If the relationship really matters to you, give it time. In time, you will know what to do. Don't lead to any hasty arguments, don't lead to any hasty judgment or any hasty actions, because they might really cost you badly if the relationship really is worth the value for you. Okay, so the movement is right now obstructed, the help is right now blocked. You are the only one who can help yourself, and you can help yourself best. So trust on your inner self and hold on for some time to take certain important decisions with regards to this relationship. Coming to your career, friends, we have 9 of Cups in the upright position. Now this card is a very good and potential card, suggesting whatever you want in your career will happen. You will be blessed with all the support, all the resources, all the people, all the opportunities that you need to make good and make your career best. Whether it is your job, whether it is your business, whether it is your education field that we are talking about, you will be blessed with everything in your platter, and you will be enjoying that period. So take your time and enjoy this phase. Just be sure that whatever you're projecting is right, because people do judge and gauge you basis your public image and your positioning and projection. Try to project as real as possible depending on the situation. Okay, coming to your financial sorry segment, we can see 3 of Wands in the reverse position. So somewhere you were expecting for some results to happen or take place in terms of your financial planning, and they are further getting delayed, and there is a lot of confusion and duality here. So door to value is open for you. It is still going to take some time for important decisions to shape up in your financial segment. There is still a little bit of confusion or duality. I won't say confusion, I would say there is a duality in this situation. So give it time, things will shape up. Coming to your health, I can see your health is looking quite good. Spiritually or intuition wise, you're quite aware as an individual in the coming months, so you will be able to take your decisions well, no doubt about that. Just the thing is, there is some guilt which might be haunting you. For some of you, there is some guilt which might be haunting you, so just stay away from that guilt. You can sometimes you can't do certain things which you feel whether they are right or wrong. So sometimes you have to give it time for nature to decide, for universe to decide what is right and wrong and how to take things or manage things for you. So just take it that way and hold on with that guilt, or I would say let go that guilt. Things, it might not be worth too much of consideration, or it might not be in your hand to change things right now. So just don't blame yourself, otherwise it will hit you. With the message of Archangel Michael, Archangel Michael is there to support you wherever you feel stuck in the situation. Inspiration card is suggesting that somewhere it's a block, inspiration is blocked, so somewhere you're not feeling very positive in the current situation. So again, it is a situational phase. Give it time, things will shape up for you. Okay, so take care, and I really hope this reading helps you guys, Leos. Very good luck. So friends, I really hope that this reading will help you to plan your coming month in the best possible fashion. Don't forget, this is a general reading, so take it as a guiding light and not the verdict. Use it to plan your month wisely. Wherever you feel that there is a need of personal guidance, you can connect with me on my mobile number or on my email ID. You can put me a message on WhatsApp number, on Instagram page, on Facebook page. Wherever you feel the need and wherever you feel the need to connect and get the help, you can connect with me over there. You can share my videos with your friends and family on WhatsApp groups, on Facebook group, and multiple other groups, so that more and more people can get help out of these free readings and free guidance. Don't forget to comment on my videos. I am more than eager to know your feedback on the videos. Your feedback only has helped me to start the sun sign race predictions again. So don't forget to share your feedback. Don't forget to share the topics for your pick a card reading. I'll try to accommodate it across the coming months. And I really want to thank all the people who are already part of my journey and would like to welcome new people on board. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram, Facebook, and as well as on YouTube channel, especially for these new subscribers. Take care, guys. Keep in touch. I hope to help you in my capacity. Take care.